How many times do you see a board like this?
You are traveling on India-Myanmar friendship road.
Okay, this is the video in which we walk from one country to another. And that's another food. Myanmar country. I'm going to show you guys.
Okay, we're going for dinner. It's a special dinner.
We have got chappals.
Special dinner.
Because we are eating chicken which is killed here. I mean, I would want to tell you guys story of how the chicken is killed, but then I don't want to tell you guys because many people will get offended for things I did. But let's get to the food. Very authentic. Thoiba. Thoiba. Thoiba started wagging. Thoiba. Yeah, and this is the setup they have made for us. So kind of, we're gonna have what, rice beer, right? Yes. So this is rice beer, very special thing in Manipur, Nagaland, northeast of India. And yeah, food is going to come very soon. So I'll show you guys how the food is made. So it's made on wood, right? Chicken.
Oh, it smells like tadi madi. You don't know what is tadi madi.
Yeah, 2.5.
Okay, with 30 minutes.
It's rice beer. You're gonna try? I'm gonna try for sure.
You're the one who
I'm
have
going to try for sure.
bought food for us.
Wow, how did we get the food?
GP killed 2 hens.
No, I
Is
didn't.
the wife, she's not eating?
She's coming.
Sir, tell us
What's your name? What's your name?
This
I'm
together.
Satyajit.
Satyajit.
Yeah, Ilangbong.
He is the one who's helping us with everything here.
And
Beer?
this is also a traditional like
Apple.
Arden
Where's your
Arden
glass?
glass.
glass. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll wait for your glass.
It's just.
Good health and good
Yeah,
trip.
yeah, good.
Just
Thank
ma.
you, Paul. Thank you to you.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Okay, first class.
Yummy. It's pungent and it's so yummy.
Oh, it's so yummy. It's nice. It's nice.
It's very nice.
Cheers. Have some Arden.
I don't know what I'd do.
Okay, we are leaving from this beautiful place in Imphal.
That's what you had to say for my such an.
Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Face.
Yeah. ऐसा कुछ अच्छा बोला.
Big thing. Something.
Okay, so this is the place where we were staying at. I think by far this is my favorite place where we have stayed on this trip. It's called Yum and Hill Cottage. Yum. You call it Yum, right? Yeah. Yum and Hill Cottage. As these guys are coming out, let me talk about one very important thing in my life. I decided that the day I complete whole of India, I see whole of India on my motorcycle or by road, I will go out of India. Though it's that there are a lot of parts which are left to complete yet, but I'm sure that, but I've seen I've seen all the states now because I completed. Whew. It's an exciting moment for me because it's the first time in my life I'm going to go out of country. And yeah, as I said, I always wanted to go out of country. If I ever wanted to go, I had to go out of country. I wanted to go on bike or by road. Okay, we are not allowed to shoot where we had to show passports, so I couldn't shoot it. But according to explain you guys what happened, first we were stopped at one checkpoint and then we had to show our passports. Now we are at another checkpoint. Here they are just checking the verification of vehicles which are crossing. There will be a lot of checkpoints till we reach the border. At border we'll do recording. How many times do you see a board like this? Welcome to India. Oh my god. Finally going to cross the border. And you can see Sonia is way excited over here.
Dude, this board is the reason for this ride for me, because this is the first photo that I ever saw on internet for
Okay, then I'm going to show it.
Myanmar Friendship Road.
Okay, let's see what is it. Finally, we are here at the border. And you can see how excited Sonia is. So are we. Woo! Finally, just one bridge away from crossing India by road. One bridge and a gate, which is wooden gate. And I walk on the other side. After getting your passport checked at different checkpoints at army base, now we are at some place called the passenger terminal, right in front of the border. And here we'll get the final stamp on our passports. I won't be able to shoot all these things for sure, because it's not allowed to shoot all these things, but I'll keep you guys posted. Might be I make one more video talking about, I'll make this video with Sonia talking about what all things are needed to be done to cross borders with your vehicle, at least this route which we are doing. So yeah, until then, let's enjoy the view. In next half an hour, 1 hour, we are going to cross India and go in a new country altogether. This is my first time going out of country. Let's go! Okay, the GoPro is out of bag.
Let me wipe it. And we have
The car from Myanmar here already.
everything is packed up.
All the tools, tires, everything loaded.
Yeah. So
Let's go. The car looks amazing, right? Better than the Innova. Bye. And this is where we say bye to Chotu. First step in Myanmar. We need passport, right? Okay.
you are traveling on India-Myanmar Friendship Road.
So 50 kilometers of this road inside Myanmar is made by Border Road Organization. You should know this. Everyone should know this. I'm on the Myanmar side now. We'll just walk across this bridge. Appu! Okay, this is the video in which we walk from one country to another.
First India, Myanmar, now Myanmar, India.
Yeah.
In 1 minute.
In 1 minute, we are going from 2 different countries, just walking on foot. क्या? What is it? ये वाला, ये Yamaha. Where are the passports? What? Which? चल. Okay, we are in India now, and that's the pose for the entry after crossing back again.
One video.
Yeah, that's the entry. Just crossed from there. This is Mr. Yan. Hello.
Yeah, thank you very much. Welcome to Myanmar.
Oh, we are inside the car. We had to stop for one more checkpoint. I mean, very short. But if you notice, first stop in Myanmar for the food.
Pork and siwa.
Oh, I don't want hot.
I don't. What do you like?
Selecting
Fried
our first
assorted.
dish in Myanmar. What's the first dish?
6 kind of. I don't want fried vegetables. You have vegetables.
I'm going to eat non-veg. So we'll have 2
इसके
more.
साथ उसने ग्रेवी नहीं दी चिकन फ्राइड राइस के साथ.
We have ordered for some chicken dish. It looks beautiful. It's a 10,000 rupee note. Okay, finally we are first. I mean, I see the Myanmar currency. Don't show it like that.
Thank you. So I can switch
They have
on my
exchanged the
mobile
money already. Now we have got SIM cards from Myanmar so that we can stay connected. The first
We went off-road.
checkpoint in Myanmar, but Soy over there is helping us get the clearance.
Punya apa belum? Punya apa? Terus ni apa? Video dia jauh-jauh dia dekat. Jauh-jauh dia dekat.
Biggest task which I have to do now is sync my watch with Myanmar time because we are 1 hour behind.
So once again, so the biggest task I have to do is change my watch time to local time. It happens only when I connect it to my phone. And we'll go 1 hour ahead. That's it. We are at the right time.
Welcome to Bagan.
Yeah, we've reached Bagan!